Hello everyone, in this session we'll talk about perimeter of a rectangle. So to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, we have to understand the formula behind it. In this picture you can see we have a rectangle and the one side I indicated as a length and other side indicated as width, or you can say it height or width, whatever you can call it. And the formula of a perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into length plus width. In a short form you can say it also 2 into L plus W. So this is the formula. Now we will see the flowchart, that how our program will execute step by step. This is our flowchart. To write down the program in our IDE, first of all we have to declare the length and width of the rectangle, and to store the result we have to declare another variable, that is perimeter, and we will store the result in perimeter variable. In the next step we have to take the length and width of the rectangle from the user. So here in this step we will use scanf function to get the value from the user, and in the next step we will calculate the perimeter using the formula, that is we already talked about that in the previous slide, that is 2 into length plus width. And after that we will print the value of the perimeter variable. After that the program will stop. So this is our flowchart. Now I will show how to write the code. Now we will move to IDE to give the practical example of this program, of this practical example of this flowchart. So you can see here I have already written the code over here, and in this section this is the comment section. You can keep it here or you can erase it. This is not a mandatory step to understand the code what you are writing in this file, so you can write it here in the comment section. And this is the multi-line comment. This is the process of multi-line comment. And in this section we have included our standard header file, that is stdio.h, that is standard input output header file, and this is our beginning of main function, and this is our ending, and inside it we have our necessary code. So the perimeter of a rectangle, or the length or width of a rectangle, can have the floating point number. For that reason we have taken here the data type as a float because of the fractional value. Then we declared length, width and perimeter. Now after this step we need to take the value of length and width of a rectangle from the user. For this reason we are showing user that you need to give or you need to enter length of the rectangle. Then we are, by using the scanf function, we are taking the value of length, and the data type of the length is float. For this reason we are using %f, and then here ampersand means the value of the length will store in a particular address. And for the width we are again printing to the user that please give some value of width of the rectangle. Also we are using the same function to store the value. And after these steps we move to the calculation section, that is formula to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 into length plus width, and it will store to this perimeter to this perimeter variable. And at last we are printing the value of the perimeter variable using the %f. You have to specify the comma operation here, and you have to put the name of the variable, perimeter variable. And for printing we are using the printf function. So this is how actually program works, and if you want to see the result you have to compile and build the program and run the program. Then we'll be able to see the output of this program. So here you have to give the value of the length of the rectangle. So I am giving here 2.23 and width 2, then press enter and it will give the perimeter of the rectangle. So this is how we actually calculate and perform the operations. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. Anytime we will try to give the answer as soon as possible. And if you like the video, please be stuck with us. Thank you. Thank you again. See you in the next video.